Hey, in this course, we're going to be going over the RingPlan desktop app and how to use it. So I want to show you guys things like how to log in, how to install the app, how to make calls, how to do texting, how to do faxing. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to need to do is have a RingPlan login, and I do have a login. I'm actually using my uh, Gmail account for this. And confirm that does get us into the RingPlan system. And here on the left hand side we've got this downloads link. You can go ahead and click on that, and that's going to get you over to the downloads page, and we have two apps. Right now I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the RingPlan voice app, and this thing will show you the current version of the app, and it also detects which platform we're on. In this case I'm on Mac, so I'm going to go ahead and download this for Mac. And let's go ahead and click on that to install it. Accept the license, agree. And you're going to get a screen that looks like this. So since I have already installed this in the past, it's going to ask me I want to overwrite that. And I'm just going to say replace. And now I've got the RingPlan app in my apps section. Let's go ahead and open that up. First time I open it, it's going to ask me if I really want to do that on a Mac. Sure, why not? And that's initializing. Okay, so the app loaded and it's initialized. First thing that we have to do is log into the app. So we're going to go ahead and click continue with RingPlan. And it's going to give me the same login screen that I had before. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Google. And because this is the first time that I've ever done this, it's actually making me put my Google account in here. And it's probably going to do my two-factor. Yep, there it goes. So I'll go ahead and approve that two-factor on my cell phone. And we're getting logged in. So now, since I have two extensions assigned to me, my primary is 510, and then I have a testing extension 5101. I'm just going to go ahead and pick this one for now and hit save. Great, we're logged in, and we can start making calls. You can see that there's a green bubble at the top here. We've got two messages apparently. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and get the download started from the downloads page. Alternatively, on our RingPlan website, you can actually go under products and then downloads, and that'll get you to the same page, and you can download it for your platform here. And once you get that downloaded, go ahead and install it and get logged in to the point where you can see your dial pad. And then once you get that far, we'll go to the next step. All right, now it's your turn.